Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel Sonam Raki. In today's video, I'll be sharing some amazing discounts that are there on the Plum Goodness website as a part of their 6th birthday celebrations. I've been using Plum products since more than 3-4 years now, and I love them because they're good quality, affordable, made in India and free from harmful chemicals. So without any further ado, let's start this video.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
So first of all, they have up to 40% off site-wide on all their products. Plus, you will be getting free products, some freebies on all the orders. Now, if you order for more than $12.99, you will get their best-selling Plum Kajal absolutely free of cost. And this is an absolutely amazing kajal, one of the best in Indian market. It is smudge-free, waterproof. It is very, very pigmented, jet black, and it stays put throughout the day. I absolutely love this. It's so smooth, it glides on so smoothly on my eyes. It's literally like butter, and you get the whole pencil with the sharpener. The cost of this itself is 495 rupees, almost 500 rupees, and you get it free of cost with orders $12.99 plus. And this is also suitable for sensitive eyes. If you have any tearing kind of issues while you apply kajal in your waterline, this is great for you guys. Then the next offer is the best in my opinion. If you order for 199 plus, that is 2000 around, then you will get this full travel kit from their green tea range. It has the face wash, toner, your moisturizer for day and night, plus the face pack. So all the green tea range products are there. This opens up like this, really cute minis like these. I absolutely love the way the packaging has come. And you'll get the exact same thing. This itself costs 1150 rupees, well 1149 to be precise. And I have used all the full size of these products and I so love them. This is one of their most popular products in market. Many of you might have already used it, so this is a great way to get this entire kit free of cost. And these are not like very small products, they have a decent amount. This one toner is a 50 ml size. The moisturizer is 25 ml for both day and night, and same is for the face pack and face wash. Well, I think this is quite enough for at least 2 to 3 weeks, even if you use it every day. Maybe the face wash will get over, but these things should last you for 2 to 3 weeks, which is quite good, getting it free of cost. Well, if you haven't used their green tea range before, let me quickly tell about these products, like a quick review for you guys. First of all, this range is for normal, combination or oily acne prone skin types. I have almost a normal to combination skin and it suits me perfectly well. And it's even better if you have a little bit of oily skin. It's perfect for you. One of the best skincare ranges which are in affordable range. So the first step is the face wash. It is a gel based product. It lathers well. It has an amazing fragrance and doesn't dry my skin, yet it clears it really well. It feels squeaky clean without feeling dry. So this one is one of my favorite face wash in Indian market. I literally stock these up always. Then coming to the toner, it is a watery consistency toner, very mildly nourishing. It will not feel oily on your skin like some toners. It is kind of like a water-based toner. It has their signature green tea fragrance, which is very mild and soothing. I really like it. And it does give you that suppleness back after a face wash. Then the next product is the Day Moisturizer, which is a mattifying moisturizer. So if you have an oily skin, this is great because this is gonna control the extra oiliness in your face. Well, this is not very drying as such. You'll not feel that if you apply makeup over it that the skin is tugging or something. It will keep your skin supple and soft, just not too shiny or oily like many moisturizers. It gets absorbed completely. It gives a nice soft look without feeling too dry or too oily. The next is the Renewed Clarity Night Gel. This is a completely gel based product. It absorbs in seconds and it's very lightweight because it's a gel based product. It's not at all oily, and even at night time you feel that your skin is almost matte, but it is very nourishing as well. It's quite good for any time, especially during summers and all, or monsoons. You can use this as your night skincare routine. If you have dry skin, then this will not be enough, but for any other skin types, as I told, it is perfectly fine, and I absolutely love it. Even in the morning, your skin will feel moisturized and nourished. And finally, their clear face mask, again one of my favorite face masks. I already have 2 full-size tubs of this. This is kind of like a mud mask, and it also has some acids, I think glycolic acid or something. So it is very, very clarifying. It actually feels like it has taken off all the dead skin cells and clarified my skin even after a single use. So that is a complete routine for you guys, from the morning CTM, night CTM, and the weekly face pack. So I think this is a great way to try the green tea range if you haven't already. And as I told, whatever you order, whatever amount, you will be getting a surprise gift on all the orders. So that is great. If you have any one product that you love from Plum, that one product you want to buy that is not there with you, then you can even buy one product and you'll get some surprise gift, which is amazing. So I think it's a great way to get what you need and try out some new products, and actually some really good products. The last product I got is this Glow Getter face pack from their chamomile and white tea range. This is a full size product. Cost of this is around 500 rupees, 490 rupees. I already used the green tea face pack so many times. I thought of trying this one out. I have heard so many good reviews about this, and I tried this once already and I really liked it too. It is not too drying on your skin. It actually makes your skin a little more plump and supple after you use it. I will use it some more, and if you want a review of all the Plum products after I have completed them, like really use them throughout, completed the products, emptied them, then I can do that for you guys. Do let me know in the comment section below. I can do such a video for you. They also sent this small card which says Plum 100% vegan, and on the other side it says 6th birthday celebrations. So make sure you check it out and try out some of their products and take advantage of the amazing offers. Well, this is not a sponsored video, guys. I'm not getting paid to tell all this on my channel. I did get this as a PR kit, but I only collaborated with Plum because I have been using their products and I actually love them. Whenever there is a sale, you guys know, if you follow me on Instagram, that I buy some or the other thing and I post on my Insta stories about the offers that are available on Plum whenever there are great sales like these. So this time I thought, why not let my YouTube family out there know about these amazing offers. So when Plum approached me to make a video about their offers, I was very happy to do them. I do get approached by many such brands who want to send me free products, but I don't do it if I don't trust the brand, if I don't love the brand, if I have not tried their products already. Because I have been with Plum for so long, I was happy to do such a video, and I'm not getting paid for this video at all. Before I could speak about this green tea range, I have actually tried the entire full-sized products of this entire range. I also did a full morning routine video on their E-Luminous range. If you have not watched it, I'll leave it on the cards and also in the description right below, so you can check it out. So I've done that video, I think 1 year or 1.5 years back. So you guys know I've been promoting Plum without any sponsorship or collaboration because I like them personally. And you would agree with me if you have tried their products. They're affordable and really good quality for the price you pay. Do let me know what is your favorite Plum product, if you have used any of their products, in the comment section below, and let me know if you want to order them during the sale. And please give this video a big like if you want me to share such promotions and offers on my channel about the brands and products I like. I would love to do that. And also, if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.